Hey guys, here's today's restore video. Fans in back are still being used. Tempted to add one there or one there just because I have more fans. We'll see. So lots of interesting lights back here, but I think we've gotten through all the fans. CEC came in last week. Blue Westinghouse came in today. Sears came in today. I can't remember who made this, but it came in today. Outdoor fan. This glass thing came in last week. This crest hugger came in today. That's the same Thomas that's been here. That Sears came in last week. Nickel fan still here. Brone's still here. Emerson came in last week. Casablanca came in today. Regency's still here. Hampton Bay's still here. That Sears is still here. That Menka or whatever that is came in last week. That Minerva came in today. Small version of that came in last week. That came in last week. These came in last week. Big pile of stuff again. We got our way through a lot of it though. Cool chandelier in there. Okay, those are both sold. Thanks for watching.